application batches. So application batches are just $0 batches. So what you're going to do when you have an application batch is you're going to go to receivables, find receipt batch, find. It's just going to be a $0 batch. However, the thing that I mentioned about it creating a new screen for you really is important in this case, because you want to be able, sorry, because when you're doing an application batch, it's going to, the total is 0, right? So it's just going to assume every time you have no more receipts. So here's a tip, put $1 in there and then put the number of applications you are doing. Usually you're going to know that because you're going to know what applications you have by looking at your AR. So you know how many tenants you're going to be doing applications for. So let's just say this is 5, and then we hit save and new. And we're going to put in the tenant code because, again, I'm looking at my AR, so I know exactly what I need to apply. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to grab the credits first and erase the distribution. Sorry, this needs to be 0. And I put apply. This is just what I have always put here as apply. You can put whatever makes sense for your team. I will say any of you that are using the shared depository account, something like apply or APP for application really helps me to filter out the application batches from the other stuff that I'm trying to make sure is in the account correctly. So when you click on credits, the negative lines, it's going to automatically populate those. And then you can click on the lines you want to apply to until you've used up the credit. And as long as you click in here, it's just going to use it up. Notice now it's used up all the credit, so it's not going to let me apply anymore. If I don't like how that's applied, or maybe I'm only wanting to apply partially, I can always come in and just take part of it, and it will do the same thing until it's all used up. Sorry. That's all you need to do. You can always adjust the amount that is paid. Or just erase your distribution if necessary. And this is true on any kind of receipt. Just adjust it until it's the amount that you want to see. So if you make a mistake, just erase and start over and redo until everything is cleared. It will not let you save it until it is 0. So notice it's now 0 at the bottom. So I can hit save. Now, because I said there were 5 deposits, it's automatically presented me with another screen so that I can go on and enter another. Don't think this is the same one. So I can come in again, select the credits, tell it 0, apply, erase distribution, and then I'm going to select the credits and start applying them until they are used up. And once it's 0, I can hit save and it's going to present me with another screen. Once I am done or I've gotten through the number I told it I had, I just hit here, and now I would need to change this back to 0 and save and post. And that's just because the applications you will have always met the total amount of the deposit. Putting that $1 in there will keep you from having to go and hit new every time. Because otherwise you just have to come out here and hit new, add another one over and over and over.